landed at Puerto Princesa International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Puerto Princesa. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Tua and First Officer Barreto, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. And for passengers needing wheelchair, you're advised to detain last using the front door only for proper ground handling and endorsement. Muli, para po sa mga panauwi na kailangan ng wheelchair, kayo po ang muling bababa ng aeroplano gamit ang unahang pintuan lamang. Maraming salamat po. And once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the